My name is Maria Fernandez, and I'm a creative community herbalist. And I'm at the moment making a tincture, collecting some lemon balm. I have already started to fill my jar with fresh lemon balm to create a tincture. I will be using 100 proof vodka. And when you're doing fresh plant tincture, you literally want to collect enough that you can make within 15 minutes because you want to capture the plant essence in those 15 minutes so that the energy of the plant is ever present in the medicine. There's like a specific signature, right? The name, botanical name, is Melissa Officinalis. In Spanish, curalo todo. And I'm going to post a video that I just created in Spanish because I feel that I could provide the videos in Spanish for the speakings, for my compatriotas, for my other people that speak Spanish and not English, right? If I speak 2 languages, I should be able to do this in 2 languages. And why? Why lemon balm? The lemon balm helps with stress and anxiety. She is a plant that smells like lemon. So just literally going like this and smelling her like takes my anxiety away. And also you could pinch the top and use it for salads and decorations. She smells like lemon, tastes like lemon, and like with a twist of mint. You could put her in your lemonade. You could add her to your soup. You could put her in your salad. You could make tinctures with her. I mean, experiment as much as you want with this beauty. Sit with her and just smell her and smell your hands. And when you run your hands through the leaf, taste your finger. And then ask yourself, is that a flavor I want on my salad? If you do that with motherwort, I guarantee you're gonna go, oh, I don't want motherwort in my salad. But with lemon balm, you're like, ooh. There's like a citrus flavor that you like. That's interesting. I don't want a lot of it, but I want hints of it. So it's a plant that helps against viruses, especially through this pandemic. I don't want to mention any names, but you know what I'm talking about. Viruses, right? It's just antiviral. And she helped me through this pandemic. Every time I went out, I was taking a dropper full because I was anxious, because I was worried, and because I know it's an antiviral. So I would have this strong ally fighting for me, helping me. It is said that lemon balm helps if you have indigestion, if you have like colic, or if you have like ulcers and stuff like that. She's really good for that. Calming your nervous energy, grounding. And she helps your skin. So if you have like sun damage, she helps with that because she's an antioxidant as well. She has very good antioxidative properties. So again, you want to fill your jar, preferably a glass jar. Put vodka, cut it as much as you can. Label it with the name and the date and wait 6 weeks. I can't say that word, but 6 weeks and put it in a cupboard and voila, you have tincture. All right, I gotta go because I gotta continue creating the Spanish video. But I think that you could do this. And this is an easy plant to cultivate in your garden. It would make you feel like you have a green thumb because she just grows. Just from a little patch, she grows. And do not overwater. Plants like this one, they like drier terrain because their volatile oils like thrive on that. Because this is a Mediterranean plant. And she's part of the mint family, which have a square stem. So it's really cool. Get to know her. She is an amazing herbal ally. Get to know her. Get to know her. Yeah. Look at her. Melissa. Melissa. My name is Melissa. Officinalis. Officinalis. La 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 la. See her dancing? She is a beauty. Oh my God. Look at all those twirls you do, girl. Look at her. Happy, 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 happy. Happy, happy, joy, joy. That's what she gives to you, me, all of us. Mwah.